How to fix Google Play Store not opening on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, if you have Google Play Store open, delete from the tab and make sure your internet connection is strong. If your internet connection does not work, try opening it with mobile data. If it still does not work, open Settings. In Settings, click on Search button at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply search Date. Then click on Date. In here, make sure you've clicked on Date and Time. Then make sure Use Network Provided Time Zone is turned on. After you have done that, go back to your settings and click on Apps and Notifications. In Apps and Notifications, search for Google Play Store and click on it. After that, force stop the app. Click on force stop and press on OK. After that, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, which will open Uninstall Updates. Click on it. Then press on OK. After you have done that, go back and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, select See All Apps. Then in here, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Reset App Preferences and you're good to go. Open Google Play Store and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Google Play Store not opening on Android.